My name is Sharita Broadway. I'm a native of Mississippi. However, I now reside in Texas. I have been here for a little over 4 years. I want to apologize for my voice tone first and foremost. I have some swollen lymph nodes in my throat, and today is the first day that I'm able to speak above a whisper. Um, Hopefully, I'll be going back to work tomorrow. That would be great. I currently work for an auto finance company in the loss prevention and collections department. Of course, that has its ups and downs. Mostly, just want to let people know that pay your car note because your finance company does not want to repossess your car. A lot of people get that misconception. We really don't because whenever we repossess a car, we lose money, and no company wants to do that. Um, I'm currently in Ashford working on my bachelor's degree in healthcare administration, which I have completed all of my courses for. I'm also working on my associates in entrepreneurship. This is currently my third class with my associates. I'm very excited about it. On the grit scale, I did score a 4.30 out of 5, which doesn't surprise me too much. I've always kind of been told I had a lot of grit. I've always had kind of a go getter attitude, mentality. It's always kind of been me. So I assume that means I have a high level of grit. My creativity level was a 65.39. Now that score did surprise me a bit because everything that I do outside of work and school is pretty much based on my creativity. I'm very much into arts and crafts, and it's all about what I see in my mind. So, yeah, I actually thought that score would be much higher. Um, from this class, what I would be looking to accomplish, I'm hoping to have my creativity and my imagination expanded further than it is already. It would be great to learn how to take what's in my mind and make it work for me. I've always had a vivid imagination, and I'm hoping that this class helps me to harness that energy. Even with everything I've wanted to do, I've always wanted to open a transitional home that helps get homeless people and veterans, all get them off the streets, give them somewhere to stay, help them to get back on their feet and you know, transition back into everyday society. You know, human kindness is it goes a long way, and even though in this climate that we're in now, sometimes it is hard to find human kindness. Just want to let people know that we still have it. Um, that is one of my biggest things. Also, too, I have things that I want to do with my family. My sister has a master's degree from Ashford in education, and she wants to open a learning center school. So, with my degree, it is something that we can do together. Also, I want to open a clinic. And it will be for low income individuals where the cost is not as high as what you would see for emergency room or some urgent care facilities. So these are things that I kind of envision that I want to do, just a few of them. And I'm hoping that this class will help just expand my mind, let me see it beyond the black and white, even though I can see it. I can see 1,000 things to do with it. This class hopefully will help me to center everything, bring everything together, and again, like I said, make it work for me. So I'm extremely excited. I know that, like I said, I'm a little bit behind on it, but I do see that I'm sharing the class with some people that I had my prior class with. So I'm excited to work with some of those individuals again. Excited for a new professor. I'm just excited to see where this class is gonna go. So good luck, all my classmates who watch this video. Best of luck in this class and best of luck with everything that you're working on in the future. Okay, let's get through this 5 weeks.